Good morning. My name is Dave Sherpa, and I wanted to share with you something, and I apologize for the short notice. A friend of mine just sent me an email a couple of days about a new program coming out on how to make money sharing memes, and I'm like, what? Make money, So I was looking it up, and it's not a whole lot of information out there. So kind of looked in, and I trust this guy. So it's a new company called Meme Secrets, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to learn how to share memes, ones that are out in the public. We'll also get a bunch, share them, and make money. I mean, how easy is that? No writing articles, no SEO, no paid ads, sharing funny memes. So, um, I tell you what, it's right now it's the 9th. So there's only one day, and the 11th is Monday. And if you jump in now, there's a bunch of discounts as a founding member. But what I'd like to do is, you know, the founder explains it a lot better. So what you want to do is I'll just leave the link below. Sign up, just need your name, email, doesn't cost you anything. That'll bring you to the video that explains what this whole program is about. But I jumped on quick, and if you can, if you want to do it today, you will save a bunch, and there's some extra special goodies for founding members. But I just wanted to share this. I mean, something easy to do. I've been in the internet marketing game for 10 years, and I've made some good money, but I've never seen something like this. And hey, you got to put in the work to make the money. And I write articles, I do YouTube videos, but what caught me on this one is a meme is simply just a picture, and then basically a couple of sentences. It really intrigues me that it doesn't take the work of writing a 5,000 word article or 500 words, something like that, to get things going. But check it out. It may be for you, it may not be, but all it costs you is nothing, just your name and email. So take care, and if you join my team, I have lots of bonuses for us. And let's make 2021 a great year. I tell you, 2020. I think I'm just going to forget about that year. Make it a great day, and, check out the offer.